System components.
The first section of this training course aims to familiarize you with all the components of the Rautitan gas system.
The Rautitan gas system comprises the Rautitan gas stabile pipe, Rautitan 1 fittings, and the Rautitan PX compression sleeves. Sizes are available from 16mm to 40mm. As per AS NZS 5601.1, the gas system is rated for a continuous operating pressure of 70 kPa and an operating temperature of 60 degrees C. The pipes can withstand a maximum temperature of 90 degrees C for a short-term malfunction. Rautitan gas stabile is a multi-layer pipe and comprises an inner PEX layer supported by an oxygen-tight aluminium layer, which is then coated with an outer polyethylene layer. The layers are bonded using a long-term temperature-resistant adhesive. The high malleability of the aluminium layer allows the pipe to remain flexible and manoeuvrable, while the thick load-bearing inner layer provides safety and excellent bending properties. As an installer, you will notice the increased kink resistance of the Rautitan gas stabile pipes compared to other multi-layer pipes. The PX compression sleeves are manufactured from PVDF, a robust, lightweight and flexible polymer. The sleeves feature an easy slide reversible construction, eliminating the need to check sleeve orientation before making the joint. The universal Rautitan 1 fittings are manufactured from high-grade special DZR brass and exceed the relevant Australian and New Zealand standards. Rautitan 1 DZR brass fittings are marked with a yellow dot to denote their suitability for both gas and water applications. The yellow dot also indicates that it has been individually factory pressure tested, adding another level of safety and peace of mind. PX and MX fittings do not have the yellow dot and cannot be used in gas applications. The gas installation standard AS NZS 5601.1 was updated in 2013 and has been adopted by New Zealand and all states in Australia except New South Wales. New South Wales, however, has granted an exception through the New South Wales Office of Fair Trading, and this means that the PX polymer sleeve can also be used in gas applications. Rehau Rao tool kits for gas applications consist of an expander tool, expander heads, a compression tool, and a pipe cutter. For Rautitan gas pipes, only 2 pipe cutters can be used. The green stabile pipe cutter is specifically designed for the Rautitan stabile and gas stabile pipes in sizes 16 and 20 mm. The red pipe cutter 40 can be used on stabile pipes in sizes 25 to 40 mm. It is important to note that this is different to standard Rautitan PEX water pipes. These specific size ranges are to ensure correct alignment of the pipe in all sizes. Always be sure to check you have the correct pipe cutter to suit the pipe you are cutting. If you have any doubts, consult the Rautitan technical information for a complete cross-reference. Expand the pipe using either a manual or battery-powered expander tool. Ensure that you use only the green expander heads with tapered ends meant for use with stabile pipes. Do not use the blue-coloured expander heads, as these are designed for the standard PEX pipes and can cause damage to the gas stabile pipe.